So to begin this little project of ours, we're going to go ahead and take the plants out from its... Hello. My name is Repot, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to repot one of your plants. First step, new pot. Second step, go ahead and grab your plants. This is some lemon balm. You can go ahead and recycle all of this soil here. Let's just be a little bit delicate when rubbing that off. There might also be a little bit of compost goodies in there. This here is a little cricket. You want to go ahead and start massaging the bottom of the roots. Allow for it to stretch its legs and migrate the direction of the roots. The reason why we begin to massage these roots is because in its old container, it basically began to wrestle and constrain itself. And just like one would groom its poodle, you begin to see these hair-like roots detangle. For an even more thorough clean, grab yourself a butter knife and go ahead and begin to scrape off that soil very gently, very respectfully. Alright, so after I've got this beautiful mane here, I'm going to go ahead and call it quits. I'm going to grab myself my handy dandy scissors and cut off some of the tips of these roots. This in no way hurting the plant, but instead motivating it to begin to grow. Grab yourself some potting mix. And now fill up the bottom of your new pot. Calculate it so that the plant's crown is sitting right below this trim. It should look a little bit like this. After having filled that bad boy, I'm going to go ahead and plop my plants in. Grab yourself some more soil and fill in the sides. A cool little trick and method that I have for setting the soil is plopping it at the bottom a couple of times. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some of my compost right on top of it. Massage that in a bit. Again, just like the grooming salon, we're now going to begin to prune. If you have a lot of dead leaves and branches, go ahead and snip those off. Make sure it falls right back into the pot so that it can recycle. And lo and behold, we now have our lemon balm, a beautiful new home. And now for this chamomile that's bursting out of his cage. This one I'm going to do a whole lot faster. Pot, hole, groom time. One thing that I'm noticing is that the chamomile definitely has less constrained roots. Alright, so this is as much as I'm going to pull this chamomile's hair, just simply because it does seem to be a little bit strained. Let's go ahead and put it into that new pot. Plop chamomile right back in. I'm going to hold her hair while I put some more soil around her. Alright, and even if you don't think she needs a haircut, go ahead and trim off some of the tips. Especially these skeletons here. Alright, the chamomile is now ready. Now if you haven't noticed already, your plants may be a little bit strained. If you haven't watered her already, give her a drink. And you deserve one too. Alright you guys, so that's going to conclude this video for today. If I was able to earn that like, make sure to drop that down below. If you have any tips from me and my plants, go ahead and comment that as well. And if you are into homesteading or gardening, make sure to subscribe. Maybe turn on that post notification bell. I would highly appreciate that, as I do expect to have a lot of big projects coming out soon. But anyhow, this has been Repot. I'm signing out now. See you guys.